hadn't he? Yeah. Say hi to the camera. Oh yeah. I know. I love you.
Your puppy's name again?
Gurly. Gurly.
Gurly?
Her show name was She'll Leave You With a Smile. She was a show girl, but she didn't like showing. She got anxious she'd get anxious in the ring, and so anyway, her handler had helped me train my therapy dog that I lost suddenly, and so she said, "How you want to meet Gurly?" And I said, "Yeah, bring her over." Well, she's doing good. She's been doing good. So we're just here for tune-up.
Sounds like a plan.
Check you, make sure everything's in good shape. Yeah, she's been doing really good.
Good.
Been doing really good. When you want me to hold her. Whoa. Be still, Gurly. I
There you
got you.
go.
I got you.
Hard pelvis.
Are we
There
good?
you go. Now she's good.
All right. Good job.
All right, go and take her for a walk if you can. Get her moving around, let her shake out. Or
Right now?
Yeah. There you go. You want to just walk around for a quick sec?
Just right here?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine. Just so she can shake out.
Sure.
Yeah. There we go.